So I've been trying not to bug the babies too much, and because I don't want the mommy to not come back. So I'm gonna sneak out here while my cat is preoccupied on the bed. She's been kind of mad because this is like her spot, but I'm just so scared she's gonna climb over. Little mama bird, I'm out here. The strawberry, I've had those strawberry plants since Olivia was born, so 18 years. Okay, little babies, are you in here? I hope you're okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna cry if you're not okay. How you guys doing? Are you in here? I want that mama to jump on me. Oh, a mommy's in there. Hi, mommy. Are you sitting on your babies? Hi. I see you in there. You protecting your little babies? She's in there, so I just want to. Oop, did she fly away? Oop, she's there. I'm sorry, Mama. I can find it. I just want to see how they're looking. I can't ever find the damn things. There they are. You guys are getting big. Look at you. Yeah. Your mama's getting mad at me. Where are you? That stupid leaf always gets in my way. Aww. There you guys are. Hi, little guys. Hi, babes. Aww. Look at that. Aw, you guys. I saw 4 little babies in there, so I think they're. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm going. I'm not gonna mess with your babes. I promise. What you mad at me? I'm going. I was just looking. So at least she keeps them warm. Okay, so I know they're okay. And I know that doo-doo bird, Raven, can't get, not you, Raven, I am in a van, but Hunter and Raven. But at least I know my babies are good this morning. I'm leaving. Oh, there you are. There's the mama. I know you're mad at me right now. But I love you. I really do. I love you. Let me see if I can find you so you're not so mad at me. See her down there? Oh, she's so mad at me. Are you mad at me? Okay. I will leave your babies alone. They're just so pretty. They're so cute. Oh, she mad at me. Okay.